Welcome back to Greenleaf Family Farms.
We have someone new in our family.
A surprise that we weren't quite expecting, even though I should have known better. I didn't expect it. I thought it was going to be
In one of the
a month ago.
In one of the videos, she thought it was going to be a few days from then. I thought it was going to be a few months. Who's the winner? Me.
I guess you were. All right, Harper's going to go down into the goat pen and show you our new family member. Harper's going to show off this new baby of ours. You want to pick him up for a second, babe? Just to show the camera real quickly, because Mom is very antsy. There's the baby. And there's Mom screaming for baby. All right, go ahead and set baby back down. Go ahead and set baby back down. There's Mom, Ginger. She's like, okay, there's my baby, there's my baby. And there is no denying who that dad is of that baby, right? There's Dad. Dad looks exactly the same as baby. She's down there somewhere now. I'm sorry, he's down there somewhere now. There he is.
He's super cute.
What do you think?
I think I love him a lot.
Oh, yeah. So we did want to add that, what's Ginger's twin sister's name?
Freckles.
Freckles may possibly be pregnant also. I mean, it would be the same time frame that she got pregnant, but we're not 100% sure. It doesn't really look like she is, but Ginger didn't really show either. And we didn't know that she was that close. Freckles does definitely not have any milk, so we'll see, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, tell everybody bye.
Whoa. I want to show them Freckles.
Okay, we'll show you Freckles first.
Okay, guys, we're going to be walking towards her right now. She's all lonely. This is Freckles right here. Woo. I named her Freckles because when she was a little baby, she had a lot of freckles. So, and that's her mommy right there. Looking a bit chunky. This is another little baby that I love. This baby is Sparkles right there. Oops. She's jumping on me. But this is the twin sister. As you can see, she still has like a little bit of freckles. Okay. Well, our huge goat family.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. Talk to you soon.
Bye.